So this is my pancake mixture. Oops, ayan. Okay na siya. Try nyo guys. Ito ang dinner. Good morning everyone. I'm ready for a fight today. So, I got my complete gears because it's a nice day to read. Ayan, kompleto tayo. Linis-linis again. So, I need to hook. That's the idea. So, I will not be carrying much of this. Finally, I'm done. Look, very clean. Good to stay here. We can practice golf now in here. I'm done, guys. Look, and let's check how much battery left. One. So that means it's time to stop. Even though I still get energy, I'm done because the battery almost running out of battery already. So I'm done. Another productive day. And my sweat going to my eyes. Look, I remove in there the thick. You can see the edges of this. Maybe if yeah, if tomorrow I can still get up tomorrow, nobody aches, then maybe yeah, make it cleaner the side of the house so that it's good. Wow, so far so good. I'm good. Hopefully, cross my fingers. So this will last 2 weeks before we weed again. And hopefully not much rain so that the grass will not grow fast. Ay, nalpas man. Agagagatay lata kakabsat. Kasta ti biyag. Biyag Pilipinas, biyag Hawaii, iso lang nga isu. Oh well, let's go. And later we have already lunch already, so I will just cook dinner later. It will be simple and I will pick some lason na. I will get use of our lason na since get bulb already. I remember I did not water yet. Just the important sunflower. Sunflower. Of course, the birds are here. Cannot miss them, their breakfast. They're waiting until we finish making noise. Okay. So enjoy your late breakfast. Late breakfast. And now guys, I'm back. I will make pancake for breakfast and it will be our breakfast tomorrow. This is what I usually do. I cook today and then tomorrow morning I will just warm in the microwave. So to make the pancake delicious, put some drops of vanilla extract. Ayan, so for my recipe of pancake, it's a 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. Yun lang ang ingredients. Uh, 2 tablespoon of sugar. So, whisk lang natin until you don't see lumps, until it becomes smooth. And then, I will go in the stove and cook. So, this is my pancake mixture. Oops, ayan. Okay na siya. Let's go cook. Let's start. So I will put just a little bit of butter. So this is unsalted butter. Let's wait that it melt. Then let me put the pancake butter. Let's wait few minutes. When the edges around are cooked, then we can flip. Ayan, so this will be our breakfast together with some papaya. Medyo parang luto na yung gilid, yeah. Ayan, nagbabubbles na yung center. So, pwede na nating i-flip. Ay, sus, ganyan. Okay, guys. So, ganyan lang siya. Okay, so, I'm done with one. Okay, so I'm done. Few more pancakes and I see you guys later. Okay, eto na yung mga pancakes, guys. Oops. Wrong timing, guys. Now that it's time to pick lason na. Oh, it's raining. But I have to because I like to cook now. So, where are the lasonas with bulb? This one. Oh, well, nice. One more. I think this one. Wow. So, I asked Hybe I will pick 3. This one. He said I will get this one coming out from the dirt. Okay. There you go, guys. I get 3 uprooted 3 lasonas, good for my cooking for our dinner. Let's go because it's raining. Ooh. Okay guys, so I'm back and to continue the day, you know already that this morning I cleaned the yard, we weed, and uh did it happen to you already guys that say like if you weed or clean your yard, and then after few hours it will rain. Well, that just happened to us. We cut the weeds, and then it's now afternoon, it's raining. So that means by tomorrow the grass will grow again. Oh my god, that's life, right? So to continue the day, like what I said, let's cook dinner. For tonight it will be very simple, and like what I asked Habi earlier, if I can pick some lasona, the Filipino onion, because he grew this one. And I don't know, I just suddenly miss a simple recipe using lasona, kamatis. I have here garlic or bawang. And the two main ingredients will be cabbage or repolyo. I have a small cabbage in here plus two eggs. For my Kapwa Filipinos out there and Ilocanos, for sure, you know this simple recipe. So let me start. First, I will dice some garlic or yung bawang. Ayan. This is the lasona. Slice lang na ganyan. I'm so happy we get lasuna. There. Then I will just cut all the stems and leaves at the same time. Next, one tomato. In Philippines, we call this kamatis. Ayan. Next, the cabbage or repolyo. I will transfer in a strainer kasi I need to wash. There you go. So I need to wash this one. So these are the ingredients, plus I have here mixing bowl. Let's crack and beat the egg. I will add a little bit of garlic salt. And then beat. Okay, so it's ready. Let's go and cook. Let me put all the ingredients in here first so it's easier. Okay guys, are you ready? First, I will put a little bit of oil, of course. First, we warm the oil. Saute-saute lang. Okay, few minutes. Okay, mainit na yung oil. Next. Oil already hot, so first I will put the garlic or yung bawang. Saute until aromatic. Simpleng ulam muna tayo, guys. Ito kasi ang naisip ko din na mabilis lutuin. Kasi we still get fog. That's why my eyes are puffy. Yung parang namumugto siya kahit di naman ako umiyak. Okay, brownish and aromatic. Let's add the tomato or kamatis. Isunod natin yung lason na. Then, a little bit of garlic salt to taste. Ayan. So, gisa-gisa lang tayo, guys. Instead of ginisang repolyo with, say, like pork, I will make ginisang repolyo with egg. I know first time that I will make this one, so hubby is excited to taste. Di ko pa siya nalulutuan ng ganito. I will add the repolyo. Ooh, looks like we get 2 dinners with this, which is very good. So I don't have to cook tomorrow. Especially if weather will be like this again. I think so. And then I will just cook something to add tomorrow. I'm planning to make pork chops tomorrow with this. Then we will be good again. Looks like plenty the cabbage, but later it will shrink. Asan na yung mga kamatis? Di ko sila makita. Andun. Andun pa sila, nagtatago. Parang kumonti na siya, di ba? And now, it's time to add the beaten egg. Ayan. Mix natin. Have you tried this one already, guys? Na-try nyo na bang mag-ulam ng ganito? Let's add a little bit of ground pepper. So, eto na. Ganito lang kasimple. Cabbage with egg. Try nyo, guys. Ito ang dinner. Mainit-init pa siya. Oops. And to complete, let's put some green onion leaves for garnishing. Okay, let's eat.